Hi there, it's Tom Lupfer again, and today I'm going to talk to you about the most popular solution to your flooding problems: rain gardens. Do you have water issues? Does your backyard flood every time it rains? Is your neighbor's property sending sheets of water onto yours? How about your backyard? Is it full of water for days and days after it rains? Well, we all seem to have these problems, but what can you do about it? You can see a typical problem with too much water from downspouts, a patio, and overland flow. You can just see the sheeting that's happening here. Add in deep shade, and it is a recipe for disaster. Engineers will tell you to put a pipe in the ground, and landscapers will tell you to bury some gravel. They have a fancy name for it. They call it a French drain. But I don't think that way. Water is a resource that we need to utilize and not treat as a waste product. Too much water is the problem, and once again, sustainable landscaping provides the solution. The most important factor when deciding on your rain garden is how big to make it. Sizing your garden correctly makes all the difference. It simply won't work if it's too small. Proper soil structure is also critical for rain garden success. This is an example of a percolation test. There was a ton of clay, so we had to dig a little deeper than normal. Here is the property as found. Nothing is working. In this picture, we have laid out the excavation and replaced the stone pad with a permeable base. The white line represents the excavated area, and the orange line represents the flat bottom we need. The lines coming out of it are the bioswales, and the overflow is at the back. Then we mix up our secret ingredient. It's a natural sponge. We use equal parts coarse sand, compost, and some of the dirt that we just dug out of the hole, mix it all together, and then put it back into the excavation, leaving a slight depression in the middle. Now you can see we have put in the underlayment on the bioswales. This is to prevent erosion, and started to lay out the stones, which is to slow the velocity of the water. Then we install a variety of native plants that have deep root systems which assist in the evaporative transpiration process. This simply means plants that soak up a ton of water. And then you can sit back and enjoy it while it's working. A rain garden is something that is useful, solves a problem, it's cost effective, it even attracts beneficial wildlife, but most importantly, it's beautiful. Want proof? Remember this photo from before? Well, here it is today. Sustainable landscaping is new, it's different, and it's innovative. Try it now and be the talk of the town.